program was recorded at the ARC Annual Industry Forum in Orlando, Florida. I'm pleased to welcome Andy Chatha, President of ARC Advisory Group.
Hello, I'm here today with Michel Crochon, Executive Vice President of Schneider Electric. Today we are going to talk about Schneider Electric's vision for the next decade. Welcome, Michel.
Thank you, Andy.
Michel, I have been watching Schneider Electric for many years, but for last years I have seen actually a significant change. I noticed that you are trying to rebrand or trying to reinvent Schneider Electric. Could you tell me a little bit more about, what is your vision for Schneider Electric?
With pleasure, Andy. We start becoming energy obsessed and at the same time energy optimist. We would like to become the real energy manager of our customers.
It seems to me that Schneider Electric is betting its future on conserving energy for your customers. Is that correct?
Is it correct? But not totally. It's conserve and save. In fact, we want to help our customers to do more while using less of our energy, of the energy of our common planet.
Yeah. Besides helping companies conserve energy, how else are you helping them become more sustainable?
We think the famous energy dilemma, the energy consumption worldwide is here to increase or to double in the coming years, while we have to reduce the CO2 emission by 2. This energy dilemma is here to last. So would it be in the residential market, in the building market, in the industry market, in the infrastructure market, we consider that the first source of energy for the next future is about saving on the present consumption. And we think it's possible to do it up to 30% of the present consumption by applying the present available technology.
What technologies are you finding are actually very interesting, or what technologies are you using to help your customers become more sustainable?
More than one technology, it's an assembly, gathering several technology coming from different places. But the name of the game is software and IP networking technologies on Ethernet. So the famous service-oriented architectures helping you to make the different software communicating together, making the energy and the electricity smarter than before. So software, networking, and putting everything together in architectures and integration of different technologies.
It seems to me what you're doing is a lot of innovation is required. You need to come up with many new solutions.
Yeah, absolutely.
How are you trying to encourage your employees to, think differently, right? The theme of our forum, rethinking. Yeah. How are you encouraging your employees to start rethinking and coming up with new solutions?
Andy, I discovered this quite recently myself. Innovation is not only a question of mindset, it's certainly about processes and tools. So we have a process and we have tools, and we encourage people to apply these tools to different situations. And we need obviously to start from customer needs, but mostly from customer usage and customer behaviors. And it's an endless story, because you can find how to order, how to use, how to design, how to start, how to commission, how to operate, and in each situation you are able to find new benefit from the customers. And we apply this to products, obviously, but also to solutions, because we consider it's impossible to make innovative solutions without having both good product and innovative products. So mixing the two drive really the innovation. And we have a lot to demonstrate already today.
Our industry has gone through some difficult time over the past year or so. Could you describe perhaps one very most important initiative that you have taken at Schneider Electric that can provide a better value proposition to your customers?
Can I take several?
You may.
Okay, we are just introducing a fully innovative solution for our OEM. We are going to make this launch in the coming weeks now. And it's about having a unique software and having a totally versatile control platform, making a controller from an HMI, from a drive, from a PLC, from a motion-centric architecture, or most recently, it takes the end user. And I can take two examples. We have been able to merge the SCADA, the supervision screen, with the vision system. So now when you have an alarm flashing on your screen, you're able to command to monitor a camera to direct validate the alarm and to understand what is happening from a remote area, helping you to make the good decision, to send the good people going with the good spare parts. Or another application in the mining industry, we have been able to merge what we call the MES for mining industry with the energy monitoring. Now you're able to compare your level of production with your energy consumption and to benchmark across your different shifts and to increase your efficiency. So everything is integrated, ready to use.
Schneider Electric has, over the years, made many acquisitions.
Yeah, absolutely.
And could you describe if these acquisitions, helping them, and if you have any plan for new acquisitions?
Yeah. The acquisition roadmap was driven by the vision of the company, obviously. And the story, the name of the game is to make the energy safe, reliable, efficient, productive, and green. So if you try to reconsider all the numerous acquisitions we've made in the past years, we have doubled the size of the company in 5 years, going to 9 billion euro to 18 billion euro in 5 years. They were driven by this vision of an extended and consistent catalog. And the other side of the acquisition, this is integration capability, because the more we go to solution, we need to be able to execute them for the customers. So we have announced 2 weeks ago in Dubai a recent acquisition exactly in this direction. Will it continue? Yes, because this is an endless story, so I cannot exactly say what about, but yes, we will continue to acquire companies.
Could you also describe your solutions capability, because more and more customers right now are looking for more complete solutions in that regard? Are you getting into more?
Absolutely. We are moving from product to product and solution, and meaning solution with capability to execute. We consider today on 208, because we are not disclosed yet our figure for 209, so I'm referring to 208, on 18 billion total turnover. The total of solution and services represent already 30% of the total of the company. So we are in a big transformation, and we are going to continue because our vision is to grow more rapidly, the 30% compared to the rest of the company. So the mix will change again in the future years.
As you are trying to grow your company, could you tell us a little bit, what perhaps regions are you focusing, or many specific industries you like to grow in?
When you go to solution, you cannot go everywhere, because you need to speak the language of your customers. So you need to select some areas, some segments, some vertical. So we did so for the OEM. We have chosen 6 vertical: the HVAC, the packaging, the textile, the conveying, the lift, and another one which I forget. And we have also the end user side with the triple M, the mine metal materials, the wastewater treatment, the oil and gas, the power, and the food and bev. So this is where we want to concentrate into vertical. And obviously in terms of geography, we are focusing a lot on developing countries with a lot of additional commercial and R&D resources.
Your new focus, being energy obsessive, like you described. Yeah. What sort of response are you getting from your customers to this strategy?
This is the right spot to be. I can tell you, I'm meeting very often customers at eye level, what we call the C-level of the organization of our customers, and there is a real positive answer saying, this is what we need to care about now. This is a time to go. So please come and explain and demonstrate your capability, because we want to be with you to go in this future, very near future with you.
Michel, thank you very much for being with us. We have been speaking with Michel Crochon, Executive Vice President of Schneider Electric. Thank you very much for watching.